Good morning, class. Here is our third chapter, Brain Teasers. As you can see, here some riddles are given, and for getting their answers, we just have to go through the questions nicely, as because clues are hidden in the questions only. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is forward I am heavy, backward I am not. So backward it is not. If we will reverse the not, it will become ton. And ton is the heaviest unit of weight. So the answer is ton. Okay. Next one is you throw away the outside, cook the inside, eat the outside and throw away the inside. So the answer is corn because we throw away the husk, we cook and eat the kernels, and we throw away the cob of a corn. Okay. Next is I am 5-letter word that becomes shorter when you add 2 more letters to it. So in the question only answer is there. The answer is short. And when we add ear to it, the word becomes smaller in meaning. Okay. Next is I am not heard until you speak. I then respond to your every word. So its answer is echo because echoes are just the results of our reflected back sound waves by an object. Right? Next is I come from north, east, west and south. I convey information through eyes, ears or mouth. So the answer is news because news gives us information. And in news, N stands for north, E stands for east, W stands for west and S stands for south. Okay. Next is I am in darkness but not in light, can be seen in daytime but I am missing in night. I am in the shadows but not in sight. So here children, you can see that in the words darkness, daytime and shadows, the common letter D is present. But whereas in the words light, night and sight, the letter D is not there. So the answer to this riddle is the letter D. Okay. Next is I go on and on with I in the middle. So its answer is onion. O N I is in the middle, then again on. And onion has many folds inside it. Now come to 8 number. I am a token of love with a constant bend. I have no beginning and also no end. So its answer is ring because ring is a symbol of love. It is a token of love and it has no ending because it is circular in shape. Next is I am a 5-letter word and no matter how you pronounce it, it is always pronounced wrong. So I guess you got the answer. Yes, the answer is the word itself, wrong. Next is I am pronounced the same if you take away the last 4 letters. So the word is Q. Q-U-E-U-E. So if we will remove the last 4 letters, it will still pronounce the same Q. Now come to 11 number. Find a 7-letter word in the English language where the first 2 letters indicate a male, the first 3 letters indicate a female, the first 4 letters indicate a great man and the complete word indicates a great woman. So its answer is heroine. Here the first 2 letters indicates a male, that is he. The first 3 letters indicates a female, that is her. The first 4 letters indicate a great man, that is hero, and the complete word indicates a great woman, that is heroine. Okay, now come to number 12. Here we will read the poem and identify the great poet whose works are talked about here. Okay, so let's read. It was Othello's birthday party on the 12th night. All his friends and foes were there, including Antony, Cleopatra, and Hamlet, along with Macbeth, Romeo, and Juliet. The gifts were brought by the merchant of Venice. The band was played by King Lear's men. When asked about his age, he only said the 7 ages. So children, as you can see, the red colored words are the name of the books. So can you tell who is the great poet of these mentioned books? Yes, the great poet is William Shakespeare. He is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. And he is often called the England's national poet and the bird of Avon. So here the chapter ends. Now let us gather some more knowledge and start the next chapter, Mathematical Tricks. So students, are you ready to amaze your friends and make them go wow at your arithmetic skills? Yes. Then here are the 2 easy tricks by which you can surprise your friends and everyone. So come, let's begin. The first trick is you will ask your friend to choose any 3 numbers between 1 and 9. For example, 1, 3 and 5. Then tell your friend to reverse the number. 1, 3, 5 will become 5, 3, 1. Then tell him to subtract them. The answer will be 396. Okay. Now tell him to reverse the answer and then add both of them. 396 plus 693. Okay. Now tell the answer to your friend. It is 1089. And this answer will always be same. Now come to the next trick. This is also a bit same only. Here in the next trick you will ask your friend to think of any number between 10 and 98 except the repeated digits one. For example, 11, 22, 33, 66 and so on. Okay. For example, your friend takes 43 as the number. Okay. Then ask your friend to reverse the digits and then subtract them. That is 43 minus 34 equal to 9. Okay. Now tell your friend to go back to the original number and find the difference between the 2 digits. That is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Okay. Now tell your friend to divide the number in the last 2 steps. Okay. So the answer will come 9. And this answer will always be the same. Let's now come to a number. In a number, you have to count the number of squares and the number of triangles in the given 2 figures. So the first one, in the first figure you can see that there are 4 rows and 4 columns in the given square. So we will call it a 4 by 4 grid. So the total number of squares in a 4 by 4 grid is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, equals to 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. equals to 30. So the total number of square in the given figure is 30. Now come to the next figure. So to find the total number of triangles in the given figure, first of all we will number the small triangles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we will multiply the greatest digit with 2. So the greatest digit is 8. So 8 into 2 equals to 16. Therefore the total number of triangles in this figure is 16. Okay? I hope you understood. Now come to B number. How many squares are there on a chessboard? So this is the picture of a chessboard, and as you can see, here are 8 columns and 8 rows. So the number of squares in a 8 by 8 grid is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square equals to 204. So the total number of squares in a chessboard is 204. So today up to this much. See you again in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.